Open your... Yeah. Oh, next, right? Ngongin ang buwan sa group. Gamayo daw kayo, Ana JL. Go pag-i-sing. Okay, ready? Okay, ready na. Becky sa chicken. Kaya nag-uwa si Marian. Okay, congratulations! A round of applause, please. Next, sa ato ang wedding. Alam mo ko, yung nakalimaw ko ay nakadungog ko.
Nanay ka, nanay.
Next time, hindi ka na. O siya na daw kay ang mga cake na higit sa talagipon. Okay na, uy. Ay, higit sila mo, Andang. Hanggang mga 5 seconds. Agoy! Woo! Which will relax. Okay, ready? 5 seconds na. Ready? Asa ni? Asa na?
Kiss.
Dali, go. Aaron. Okay, ready na. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Congratulations. Next will be the toast of the bride and the groom. May I request the groom, best man to please assist. Ikaw, Bobo, sir. Abdi kayo na itong sir. Oy, kay basig kami sunod na slow. So, kanina toast sa bride and the groom is the toast, a joyful speech to congratulate the newlyweds who have just celebrated their union with a toast. So, newlyweds, may all sweethearts become married couples, and may all married couples remain sweethearts. Then, before mo cheers din naatoy groomsmen, naatoy mo si sir. Before mo mag-toast, na ay short na message. Pwede akong hinay-hinali ang kamay sir ang mga music. Okay, thank you.
Yung pansabaran, ang iyong kahiban,
To fill your cups full.
congratulate daw sa itong bagong wedding to Mr. Arizato and his wife. My wishes is a long and lasting love and a happy marriage. Cheers to our newlywed.
Okay, cheers. Na may mga baso sa inyong table. Please, na may mga coke na or water. Please raise it and let's do it together. There, ready?
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Okay. Ready? Ready na? Ready na ang tanan? Okay, in a count of 3. 1,
Ako,
0.
sa pagkaroon,
Okay, everybody, let's all stand.
cheers!
Okay, ready? Cheers! Okay, then after that, we will seal it with a kiss na po.
Yay!
Ganahan kasi. Actually, mga visitors, request mo na sa bride. Okay, another one. Ayun, tanggalan.
Oy.
5 seconds. Okay.